This is not just a car. This is a statement from the future. The moment you look at the 2026 Futuristic Hypercar, you understand one thing clearly. This machine was not built to follow rules, it was built to break them. Every sharp line, every aggressive curve, every aerodynamic cut screams dominance. This hypercar sits low, wide, and planted to the ground like a predator ready to launch. The glossy metallic red body reflects the world around it like a mirror. But don't be fooled by the shine, because beneath that beauty is pure aggression. The front fascia is razor sharp, with ultra-thin LED headlights slicing through the air like blades, giving the car a menacing stare that feels alive. This is the kind of car that doesn't wait for permission, it takes the road by force. The hood is sculpted with deep air channels, engineered not just for style, but for airflow, cooling, and speed at extreme limits. Carbon fiber elements dominate the lower sections, keeping the weight down and the performance brutal. Every inch of this hypercar exists for one purpose: maximum impact. Step inside, and the outside world disappears instantly. The cockpit feels like a fighter jet, wrapping itself around the driver with intention and precision. Black carbon fiber surrounds you, broken only by glowing red accents that pulse with energy. Digital displays float seamlessly across the dashboard, feeding real-time performance data like speed, power, and torque, making you feel connected to the machine on a deeper level. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels aggressive in your hands, stitched in red like a warning sign, reminding you that this car demands respect. The racing seats hug your body tightly, designed to hold you in place when acceleration tries to pull your soul backward. Ambient red lighting fills the cabin, creating a nighttime atmosphere that feels dangerous, luxurious, and futuristic all at once. This is not comfort-first luxury. This is performance-focused luxury, built for drivers who crave control. And when this hypercar moves, it doesn't just accelerate, it attacks. The launch is violent, instant, and relentless. Power delivery feels endless, pushing harder and harder, as if the car refuses to slow down. The exhaust note is deep, aggressive, and unapologetic, echoing through the streets like a roar of dominance. On corners, the car feels locked to the road, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and intelligent stability systems working silently in the background. High-speed driving feels natural, effortless, and terrifying in the best way possible. This hypercar is not about daily commuting, it is about presence. When it arrives, heads turn. When it stops, people stare. When it leaves memories behind. The 2026 Futuristic Hypercar represents the next era of automotive evolution, where design, technology, and raw aggression merge into one unstoppable force. It's not built for everyone, and that's exactly the point. This is a machine for those who want more than transportation, for those who want emotion, adrenaline, and authority on the road. In a world full of safe designs and quiet engines, this hypercar stands alone, loud, bold, and fearless. The future is here, and it doesn't whisper, it roars.